ako. Di ba graduate ako ng valedictorian tapos ang dami kong medals. Tapos si Teddy isa lang. Pero siya pa rin yung pinuri mo.
Kanina talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 nagising ako. Eh, walang alarm, walang anything. Tumayo talaga ako.
Sobra na. I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair. All by myself anymore. All by myself anymore. And I will always love you.
Eh baka kaya tayo iniiwan ng mga taong mahal natin. Kasi, baka merong bagong darating na mas okay.
My brother is not a pig. Ang kapatid ko ay tao. Hindi babay na mo. Hindi niya babay na mo. Ako na lang. Ako na lang ulit.
Ba't ba ako nagsalita ng ganun? No, ito na lang. Kasi
Okay.
I've been waiting for a sorry. A personal sorry.
Sa kagustuhan lang naman nila na protektahan ang anak ko. It's not even about me. It's about my son.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on.
Sobra na. I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair.
Wala akong ginagawang masama! Akala mo lang wala! Pero meron!
I'll be waiting for you. Here inside my heart.
It's my birthday,